Hey there, and welcome back to Financial Market Insights for Traders, the podcast where we cut through the noise, break down financial tools, and help you become a smarter, more confident trader, whether you're just starting out or already testing strategies. I'm your host, Sophia, and today we're digging into a huge question I know many of you have been asking. What's the best trading app for beginners in 2025? If you're feeling overwhelmed by options, confused by complicated dashboards, or unsure who to trust with your first investment, you're not alone. This episode is your guide to choosing the right platform, especially if you're new to trading or investing. We're going to compare Robinhood, eToro, Webull, Zerodha, Upstocks, TradingView, MetaTrader, and a fantastic up-and-coming platform called crystalballmarkets.com. I'll break down the pros and cons of each, cover region-specific picks, and help you figure out what's best for your trading journey. We'll talk fees, paper trading tools, learning resources, and a lot more. So grab a notebook or just listen closely. First, what actually makes a trading app beginner-friendly? Let's start with the basics. What even qualifies an app as beginner-friendly? There are 5 big factors that matter. Low or zero fees. You don't want your hard-earned gains wiped out by commissions or hidden charges. Simple interface. If you need a manual just to place a trade, that's a red flag. Educational tools. In-app guides, blogs, tutorials, all of it counts. Paper trading options. Being able to simulate trades before risking real money is a huge plus. Regulatory trust and safety. You want your broker to be licensed, compliant, and transparent. All right, now let's get into the actual platforms, and we're kicking off with a familiar name. United States Robinhood, still the gateway for US. Beginners. Robinhood really rewrote the rules when it launched with commission-free trading. And in 2025, it's still the go-to for many beginners in the US. The pros? First, zero commissions on stocks, ETFs, and even options. The interface is super clean, no clutter, no distractions. Opening an account takes minutes, and you're trading right away. You can buy fractional shares, which means you don't need $500 to buy a share of Tesla. They've also added support for crypto, but it's not all perfect. The cons? There's no paper trading mode, so you can't practice before putting in real money. The platform offers minimal educational tools. And then there's the trust issue. Robinhood has been under fire in the past for halting trades and gamifying the experience. Bottom line, Robinhood is great for getting your feet wet in the markets, fast and simple. But once you get serious about education or advanced tools, you might outgrow it quickly. eToro, copy trading for global beginners. Next up, eToro. If you're listening from Europe, the UK, Australia, or any region outside the US, eToro might be your best starting point. Let's talk about the pros. One standout feature is copy trading. You can literally follow top traders and replicate their moves in your portfolio. You get zero commission on stocks and ETFs. The app supports crypto, commodities, forex, you name it. And big win for beginners, eToro has a built-in paper trading platform with a $100,000 virtual balance. It's regulated in major regions, which means your funds are in safe hands. Now for the drawbacks. The spreads can be a bit wide, especially on less liquid assets. Customer support has room for improvement. Some US stocks might not be available, depending on your region. And the interface, while powerful, isn't as slick as Robinhood. Bottom line, if you're outside the US and want to learn by watching others, eToro is your platform. It brings a social layer to trading that makes the whole experience more engaging. Webull, for beginners who want to level up. Now let's talk about Webull, another US-based platform and a bit of a middle ground between Robinhood's simplicity and pro-level tools. Pros: zero commissions again on stocks, ETFs, and options. Tons of charting tools and real-time market data. It has a paper trading mode, including trading competitions, which can be fun and educational. You also get pre-market and after-hours trading access. Cons: the learning curve is steeper than Robinhood. While Webull has tools, it lacks strong educational content, and it's not available everywhere internationally. Who is it for? If you're a beginner with ambition, someone who wants to start simple but grow into more advanced trading, Webull gives you the space to scale. India's best platforms, Zerodha and Upstocks. Now, for my listeners in India, two names dominate the scene: Zerodha and Upstocks. Let's break them down. Zerodha, India's most trusted broker. It charges 0 Indian rupees for equity delivery trades and 20 Indian rupees per executed intraday order. Its kite platform is powerful, fast, and supports great charting. But the real gem? Zerodha Varsity, a free, in-depth educational portal built by Zerodha. It's top tier for learning. Downside? No true paper trading mode, and the UI might be intimidating at first. Upstocks also offers 0 Indian rupees delivery brokerage, quick Aadhaar-based onboarding, sleek mobile interface, good market reports, and a slightly easier learning curve. But the research tools aren't as robust, and support can be hit or miss. Final verdict: choose Zerodha if you want to invest long-term and educate yourself deeply. Choose Upstocks if you want to start fast and simple. TradingView MetaTrader, advanced learning tools. Okay, now let's shift to platforms that aren't brokers but serve as amazing learning and paper trading environments. TradingView, arguably the best charting tool on the market. Tons of custom indicators and social features. Built-in paper trading with historical replay functionality. Community shared strategies and open commentary. MetaTrader 405, more technical and heavily used in Forex and commodity trading. Excellent for algorithmic testing. Supports broker integration. Drawbacks? They're not as intuitive, and you'll need to connect a broker for live trades. But for deep practice, they're invaluable. Crystalballmarkets.com, built for smarter beginners. Now let's talk about a newer, highly promising player, crystalballmarkets.com. If you're looking for a platform that was actually built for clarity, simplicity, and growth, check out crystalballmarkets.com. They've built something user-friendly but powerful, ideal for those who want to start trading and gradually scale into algorithmic strategies. They also offer one of my favorite learning tools out there, the Crystal Ball Markets podcast. Yes, I listen to other podcasts too, and it's packed with actionable financial market insights, especially for beginners and intermediate traders. Quick recap table. Visualize this one mentally. Here's a mental snapshot of how these platforms stack up. Robinhood, great for simplicity. US only, no paper trading. eToro, social copy trading. Global access, great for visual learners. Webull, more tools. Paper trading, better for ambitious starters. Zerodha/Upstocks, India's best. Zerodha for depth, Upstocks for speed. TradingView/MetaTrader, ideal for practice, not real trades. Crystalballmarkets.com, great all-in-one learning plus trading solution. Final thoughts: which one should you use? Here's the honest answer. It depends on where you are, how you learn, and what kind of trader you want to become. Want a smooth start in the US? Go with Robinhood. Learning by copying others globally? Try eToro. Want to simulate and analyze? Webull or TradingView. Based in India? Choose between Zerodha's depth and Upstocks' speed. Want intelligence, tools, and a clean interface? Try crystalballmarkets.com. And while you're exploring tools, don't forget to keep learning. Subscribe to the Crystal Ball Markets podcast for straightforward, beginner-friendly insights into algorithmic trading, financial market psychology, and investing strategies. That's a wrap on today's episode of Financial Market Insights for Traders. If you found this breakdown helpful, please follow, share, and drop a rating. It helps more beginner traders find the tools they need to succeed. Until next time, stay sharp, stay smart, and stay invested. This is Sophia, signing off.